ekene m no ya gazeligo onye ma na-ege m ntị n'onu n'ụbọchị nke tata. Biko Ezeugo, brother Ezeugo, thank you so much for this reply. Ima, thank you so much. Makana ndị mmadụ na-emezi too much. Mgbe ama mebe this woman no mgbe Mathias Ezeugo nọ na ekwu nke ya na-asị onye ọbụla ndị Igbo n'incha that na mgbe ọbụla ofuru na mmadụ metụrụ aka ume gị nkugbuo any Christian ọbụla mfu. Ama mebe this woman nọ mgbe a na-akpọ akụ Zion nọ akpụli agbago akpụli agbada okwulu okwu. Ama m ebe ọ nọ even mgbe ọ na ndị mmadụ na-ekwuto product akụ Zion. Ama mebe this woman nọ we have ikwu okwu all this why this thing na happen ọ bụ kịta anọ ka anyị ga ntị n'ihe Ezeugo chọrọ ikwu. Ngwa
Ọbụm's blog asị na agadi nwanyị amụha m na chọrọ ịkpọ onwe agadi nwanyị na-agwa ofe ịma na nwa obere oge mmadụ kwuo amaghọkwu na asị na-akparị ya n'ụlọ mana amamife agadi nwanyị dọkayo anyị eji wee respect onwe every day ka ya apụta na Facebook akụ Zion this akụ Zion that amụha na akụ Zion ọzọbiri mpụta ede ịmụ ebe ịkwụ and gbadosie anyị ike na-edefend onye na-edefend all this while. Look at you na-ekwu na akụ Zion na-eti division among our people. Sometimes ị na-ekwu ifele ada emeghị n'ọnụ na ide ekwe ị na-ekwu ifele ahụ emeghị n'ọnụ na ị na-ekwe. You have been supporting somebody in all these things and we know who you are supporting. Your body language speaks it all. It was you who came to Facebook to announce business deal in akụ Zion na mmadụ mere. What is your business there? What is your business there? Have you ever seen akụ Zion come out on Facebook to address anybody? I am asking you. Have you ever seen akụ Zion or buy camera phone or buy ring light put on Facebook na address somebody? Have you ever seen him? Have you ever seen him mention the name of any blogger at all na live broadcast here or in any video me post to? Since him and Omebuhe, are you saying that people who are loyal to him cannot defend him when people are constantly dragging his name? Look at the mere mention of Alpha Bebioko. The whole bloggers from Ebonyi State spoke. In fact, they even somebody took Ebonyi son even started calling out Ebuigwe because Ebuigwe did not say anything. Advice one people have respect. The whole bloggers spoke the moment Bebioko's name was mentioned. Imagine if it continues, they are all going to rise up. They all spoke against and listen, it wasn't Bebioko responding directly, but people they respond on his behalf. And it can happen to any other big man. The moment Natefan Yoba's name was mentioned, people, right? Vinicius Bo, it is the same everywhere. Una aparisi no one too much. Una aparisi no one. Una aparisi no one. Happen akụ Zion kono ilo onwe no so be home protected on. Gona akụ Zion aha so onye wu ka nwe ego. Gona aha so onye nwere ego enwe. Respect ya no one. Every day na akpụrụ afa nwoke mmadụ enwe ifo melu ụnụ na akpụrụ ya n'ọnụ ụtụtụ evie n'abalị akụ Zion. Ịchọ ya okwu warrant he use police. He will use police. Police in this country is known for maintaining law and order, maintaining peace, law and order. So when he show you ya require he use law enforcement in Ebeno, he will gladly use it. He's not the first one. He's not the only big man that has ever arrested people. There are a lot of big men that has arrested numerous people. No nature foku. Come on, he will get you arrested. He get by. He kill your own way. After na Facebook, abia a disgrace your way associating yourself with all this fight and again on Facebook. Yet you are claiming to be neutral. You are claiming to be neutral. Why we know who you are supporting every day? Akụ Zion this, Akụ Zion that, Akụ Zion this, Akụ Zion that. We don't know the carringos. Okay, you know Buffy. I want to them the papa leketa. Asna na bari agadi wine. Respect to kwano nwe agadi wine. You came out to that video. See onye ji Akụ Zion ji ụgwọ. You said all manner of rapping in Merune. E na agba nwatakịrị no ilo nwe wo. E na agba onye no ilo nwe wo. Debe ahụ na ịma ife na-eme. Debe ahụ na ịma ife na-eme. Ọwụ na ikwurie respond to you. It's not mkparị. But it was you who started it. It was you who started it. You casted the first stone. I'll be after you now. Instead of mad or what is your business in that particular voice note or video he posted? I'm not going to so look at you in all over Facebook. Let's defend DJ Park. I'm on no J Park. I'm on no J Park assign logo. The same way Ogechi say defend the Zion. He say defend DJ Park. Left, right, and center. That same way, ka Ebonyi son has you weapota, they defend the Babyoko. That same way, a lot of people use weapota, they defend the Onyenkeha. Now this blue app. If you not show the value, Konyo on a whoop one way back, Zion no. Kunu will have a way to Nubu will have a way to Fora. It cannot work. Yes, and when people believe in him, and when people do loyal to him, when you come after him, you come after those people. Zion doesn't really need to respond to you. Only a lot of people who are there to respond to you. Now only equal. So that does not call what you go when I bring this unity among Igbos. Look, let me tell you. Look, let me tell you. ABC Transport, I'm Madunine Nabamote, and GUO, I'm Madunine Nabamote. And I'm even now, the young Madunine Alahana Hotel, Canary, na Lagos. So the real people who are patronizing those products, they don't make noise like you. You don't even drink it. Most of you who are coming out to talk about zero bitters, you don't even drink zero bitters. Some of you don't even drink alcohol. So why are you bringing a Zion personality to his brand? People are ngoye. Let me tell you, Coca-Cola Coca-Cola and Ever Water Ever Water. Stop hating on a man that has done absolutely nothing to you. Because when you come after him, people will come after you. I hope you know. The same way you are defending J Park, there are people who are ever ready to defend Zion. Let me tell you, go and bring one single video where Zion is calling out any blogger. You can't find it anywhere. You can't find it anywhere on Facebook. But that is the truth you people don't want to say. Why can't you advise people to respect themselves? Why can't you advise people to respect themselves? J-Pack started dragging Zion first without Zion doing anything to him. Who calls each other out first? It's the only way Is that your way you take that advice and pocket it in your pocket. I got the one in our warfare. It was going to say about your own. I got the one in our warfare. If you put a romance, J-Pack cannot get a son and a barrel, not gonna mourn your age. But you cannot respect yourself. If it is a romance, they living at Arab in a new advice. If you feel like this, where are they advice on you? You feel like this, where are they advice on you? Every day you put on Facebook, Zion this, Zion that, Zion this, Zion that. What is the, tell me what is the problem if Ogechi is defending Zion? Is it a button? Is it a button? But half will be Kuban anyhow on Facebook. Came on who blogger say I'll be after you. But half a Kubana chief priest. Okay, the man don't deliberate about Kubana chief priest arrest Yamake go for. And if we find I know people who came and started attacking so many bloggers, including me, for just stating what happened and not even taking side. Yes, I'm not even taking side. Ono ya machi Ezeugo no ndị onye ọhụrụ na-agbafusi ebe Zion nọ. Hello? Na-apụta anọ m ebe a. Na-apụta ya afụzi m. Yes. Ịmachakwa nke wụ eziokwu mana ịchọghị ikwu ya. Ebe unu chọrọ ka onye ọhụrụ na-agbafusi hapụ Zion. Ka unu rie ya ka ji. His own will not be different. We are always here to stand by him and defend him. We will not allow you people to blackmail him. We will not allow you people to boye bubo. We will not allow you people to say all manner of things with his name. Zion is a human being, and we are people who loves him as much as you love those people you are defending. Take that advice and pocket it in your pocket. Okay, you're now warfare.